Namaste to all my friends. Myself Gaurav Sharma, MBBS first year student at GR Medical College, Gwalior, and welcome to the Eternal Biology, my YouTube channel. So today I was reading my biochemistry book, particularly metabolism of carbohydrates, and suddenly I found an interesting topic which I thought that it is necessary to be shared to everyone, and this not implies to only NEET aspirants but to other people including your parents and guardians. So there's been a system of copying the Western culture in India, which includes copying of excessive intake of alcohol by us. But the climate and the basic physiology of Europeans and Asians differs slightly. The fact is that alcohol is metabolized in our body through liver, and this metabolism requires some set of specific enzymes which break the ethanol into simpler and simpler compounds. Now what happens when we take the ethanol inside? It is converted into acetaldehyde by alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. Now this acetaldehyde is further converted into acetic acid by the enzyme which is known as that aldehyde dehydrogenase. Now my fact is, because I am not comparing it with social or any culture basis, I am telling it based on the medical science, that the acetaldehyde is converted into acetic acid by specific enzyme which is known as aldehyde dehydrogenase. The fact lies here that the activity of this enzyme, what is the enzyme? Aldehyde dehydrogenase, which converts the acetaldehyde into acetic acid. So its activity is less in Asians and among Asians, especially Indians, as compared with Europeans. So what happens that this enzyme do not functions as efficiently as it functions in Europeans. So the acetaldehyde get accumulated in our liver. Now as this accumulation further increases, it leads to severe diseases like, first of all, liver cirrhosis, fatty liver, and the most important being that aldehyde is toxic to pyridoxal phosphate, PLP, that is vitamin B6. Now here comes NEET aspirants. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps in formation of sphingolipids, which forms a myelin sheath over neurons. So if vitamin B6 is not being formed or is being damaged, then the nerves, the neurons will not be myelinated and it will lead to their damage, and this will cause neuritis, that is inflammation of the neurons. And the aldehyde, that is the acetaldehyde, also inhibits the amino acid metabolism, and we know that in amino acid metabolism various substances such as histamine, serotonin, etc. are produced, and we know the physiological function of histamine and serotonin, that what their significance is in our body. So guys, if we take excess of alcohol, being Indian and Asian, it will damage our body. So I hope that you guys are getting what I'm saying, and please share this information, this valuable information, this factual and scientific information to all your colleagues, your guardians, your relatives, so that they might also get some sense of the harmful effects of alcohol. Thank you friends. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel and comment. Thank you. And I am posting the excerpt of the book of biochemistry, that is the DM Vasudevan book, in the description box. So it is based on full fact. Thank you.